Stop scrolling for a second, you're going to want to hear this. There's a link in the description, and once you check it out, you'll understand why I'm recommending it so strongly. This product has taken off for a reason. The performance is consistently smooth, the build quality feels durable and premium, and the simplicity of using it makes a huge difference. No complicated setup, no confusing instructions, just straightforward results. But what really caught me off guard is how much better it performs than I expected. You get real value right from the first use, and that's something you don't see often. So don't wait on this. Click the link below, give it a look, and try it yourself. This might be one of the best choices you make today. Listen, if there's one thing you don't want to scroll past today, it's this. Because what I'm about to show you is something people are genuinely raving about. Stop scrolling for a second, you're going to want to hear this. There's a link in the description.